Hey, everybody! I'm C83 and we meet again. In this issue, we will continue to tell you Design Principle and Law of CDS Color System. What we're going to talk about this time is 99% of designers need to know. Design Rules of District 4. Design Rules of District 4. All these theories, we've talked about it in previous issues. From the color system to the basic laws of color. Area 1, Area 2, Area 3. We all use the system from the Color Sutra. The regular arrangement of all its colors. It's all our color design system today. A technique and skill that must be mastered. If you master this door, the basic theory and skills of color in the video network, and the design of the cover color became a piece of cake, especially in YouTube color design. Your many interfaces, lots of cover designs. It will be expressed in the language of color. Okay, that's everything we talked about last time. We talked about it. White quantity law, black quantity law, color quantity law. Law of high brightness and low chroma region. Chromatic potential law, regular characteristics of high chroma region of medium brightness. Law of low brightness and low color area. The law of medium brightness. Today we are talking about the law of medium brightness and high chroma. It's pretty obvious. We can read it literally. Heavy brightness from the surface of the color. Its brightness is a kind of intermediate performance. And its chroma is the highest chroma expression. So you see a color. Its lightness is intermediate, and the chroma is very high. You basically know the pattern of this color. That's Zone 4, also known as our mid-brightness high chroma color design rules. Color design rules. We call it the Zone 4 rule. Because in the entire space of color design, it has a total of 7 color regions. There are 4 independent color patterns. High brightness, low chroma, low brightness, low chroma. Another one is mid brightness, mid color. Another one is what we are talking about today, the law of medium brightness and high chroma region. What about these laws? A very important point. This is what we call Area 4. The law of medium brightness and high chroma region. That is, in the CDS color system, the 4 most fundamental laws, and these 4 laws cannot be replaced, is inherent in nature. A harmonious expression of natural colors. Attention! Among the 3 regions of black, white, and color, the area within its 3 lines. It's called the medium brightness, high chroma region. In the medium brightness high chroma area, this is very unique. We see so many of them in nature. In some natural landscapes like this. A natural phenomenon of very bright colors. It's kind of in that category, basically. Area 4. Medium brightness high chroma area. If you see something in nature that is very colorful, or among humans, some color designs that imitate nature, it emerges as a pattern in region 4. You know it's a medium brightness, high chroma region pattern. And in this regional law, cultural representation of color, It's a manifestation of positive euphoria. We'll tell you a lot later. Cultural and color attributes related to color. We are holding one today. Every one of us has a natural species that is often used. Strawberry. We use it as an extraction of color. Let's take a look at what its color characteristics are. It's the Zhongliangdu high chroma area 4 we're going to talk about today. Okay, we were on that strawberry just now. Extract 3 colors from different pages. These 3 colors are relatively typical, but it's basically between R and O. This color, but it's the same hue, just different brightness. We put the 3 colors just now into the triangle of the CDS color system. We will find the color of the head here is obvious at a glance. It's over here. There's an ant-dotted line. There it is. It could be here. It could be here. It could be here. So let's just say that it occurs in the mid-brightness and high chroma regions. It is not in the high brightness and low chroma regions, nor in the low brightness and low chroma region, nor is it in the Zhongmingdu-Zhongcaodu area, and it comes out of this region. We call it District 4. Okay, let's put these 3 parts. Put the 3 photos together to take a look. Here are our strawberries. Our strawberries. Then in the hue, it appears in this arrangement. You know it's between the colors R and O. It's close to R. So it's a hue dominated by red. But in the region of color is taken in the mid-brightness high chroma area. And we are talking about this. It's about the medium brightness and high chroma area. In this way, you will transform the natural world. All the characteristics and patterns of color. Remember the simplest ones. There is no other pattern of color in the brain. These are the rules. So you follow our course and finish it. Basically, the natural arrangement of color patterns. You'll have a bird's eye view of it. If you think about what we said in previous issues, if you don't know very well, you can take a look at our first and second issues, the content of the third and fourth issues. If you want convenient, you can also leave me an email. I will give you a free reply. The confusion and problems of color that you need to encounter. So let's talk about it. The color is real. Area 4. The underlying logic of the law of color attributes. So we look. Here head. It comes up with a representation of this region. That is to say, in our chroma law of 50, in the law of blackness, whiteness law, this area between their triangles. It is called the medium brightness and high chroma region. And what about these for districts? It is a more typical arbitrary. In the hue circle, in color equivalence. It is the red, orange, yellow, way, green, blue, purple we are familiar with. Among these major regions, among their different colors, color of medium brightness high chroma region. You see these colors. It should have at least 80 such triangles. It all has this characteristic. It's called Area 4. What about the characteristics of Area 4? There's another interpretation of it. So let's look at Feature 4. Take our BOW50, B50, WO and BO to WO3 points. The colors in the gamut in this triangle. It's represented by intense color perception. Generally, we use attention, which is more exciting. The expression of a more exciting and colorful theme. This is one we often use. A characteristic of color. Also called mid-brightness high color features. And that's what we're going to talk about today. In Area 4 of color. underlying logic of basic theory of high chroma region of medium brightness. Again, we follow the law of the past. This is also in YouTube, the only one with our self-developed CDS color system. AI software system Color Express Color Scheme Express. To interpret this natural color phenomenon, it follows a pattern, and it's very simple, and design applications in life. You can see it. You touched it. What you touch and what you don't touch. It's all here for interpretation and answers. Okay, again, let's take a look. We open our software. We use this little color as an extract. Did you see it? What do we get? We will get the color scheme of area 4. This is the color we extracted on it. The strawberry we saw. It has red on it. Different red. But there are also different greens. So let's put different red and green. Extracted several colors. But found one thing. All their colors. It's all in this one color bit. Real. When using digital quantitative color design, it can be more accurate than your naked eye. And the accuracy is even higher. You see, we've got a color here. 2, 3, took 4 more 5. And these colors are precisely the colors of this head. And then what do they form? Formed exactly a color range of nearly 180 degrees. A complementary color relationship is formed. It's anti-color. We often hear a saying, call safflower and ask for green leaves. Why is that? Natural red appears in nature. There will be natural green for combination. This is no accident. It's inevitable. Because between red and green, it's for vision. It's a very good match. There is green and red. Where there is red, there is green. It's a natural phenomenon. Okay, here we go. Is the color scheme of the main and auxiliary points we get. This is our color region 4. Natural manifestations and characteristics. Okay, let's look again. This is the color scheme we got. And this color scheme is our primary and secondary point. Color scheme. It came from that strawberry. That strawberry. These colors are extracted from our natural world. We see our golden ratio here. Click red. There are also different reds. And one of its green leaves. There is also an auxiliary green leaf. This forms our color scheme. This is the guide area application scheme. This is a color scheme. There are 4 codes that appear here. These 4 codes are the codes of CMYK printing colors. We can also provide it with professional color coding for CDS color design system. Can be applied and reproduced in different fields. Okay, we're going to go with that set of colors. Made a design with a simple color. It can't be called a very good design, but it tells you how to use it. To apply these colors. This is the 6 colors we put just now. Trained color models that incorporate color. In CDS AI. Conduct training. After training, the desired color design results and programs. We also used this method in previous issues. We use world-famous artists. It's like Monet or Van Gogh or whatever. It's trained with this color of our AI to extract its key color, then apply it to the design. Got a very good performance. So that's where we see red versus green. But without losing that. We call it the spirit of national unity. A color design. We see that there are some colors that belong to us. You may see it here. The spirit of many ethnic colors. There are some Middle Eastern styles. Arabic style. You will see. There is the spirit of color in our different regions. Think about it. Different religions use these colors in their extraction. These are painting designs, color designs. Yes, it is. We use this red and green to the extreme. You will see the Arabic color style. You will see the Iranian style. You will also see the Turkish style. You will even see the Israeli style. This and the present. It's a very subtle fit. Red and green. Black and white. This is also. Okay, that's all for today's class. If you are interested in the content of our color courses, if you need to know more, I suggest you take a look. We have previously published the content of many professional color courses. It was content, just talking, the underlying logic of color design, no self, personal color experiences and hobbies. It's all about nature. An introduction to the lowest level of color science. Okay, thank you very much.